Where is Sheikh Hasina and what's her next movement? Former Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina is currently in India at the Hindon Air Base. Sources say that the C-130J Bangladesh Air Force flight that brought Sheikh Hasina to India has departed from the Hindon Air Base today, but Sheikh Hasina hasn't gotten it. She still remains in India. That flight has gone back to Bangladesh. More security forces has now been deployed right outside Hindon Base. Hasina's plane landed at Hindon Air Base at 5:41 p.m. just last evening, as India Today was very closely tracking her movements. Soon after that, she met with NSA Ajit Doval. For now, there's no clarity on her next move, but she's not received any clearance from UK for asylum. And India's stance and its position on whether they want to allow Sheikh Hasina to take refuge in India is still unclear. BSP DG Diljit Chaudhary has visited the Petropol border and taken stock of the situation there. BSF has heightened its alert status at the Eastern Command, halting all traffic at integrated checkposts. BSF is now maintaining close coordination with the border guards of Bangladesh. Additionally, the state of Meghalaya has imposed a night curfew along its borders that align with Bangladesh to ensure security and prevent potential cross-border incidents.
Goods carriers with permits are being allowed. It's being frisked heavily at the Petropol border over here in West Bengal's North 24 Parganas. Now, it's a regular process of frisking, but what we see over here is it's a high level of frisking that is happening over here. Since morning, these are the first round of vehicles, these goods carriers, which are being allowed, the ones that have a permit over here. And what we can see from here is Bangladesh is just, it's at a stone's throw from us. That is Bangladesh. These trucks are coming. What we can try and have an insight of what's happening inside Bangladesh is we'll speak to them. Bhaiya, kahan se?
हम बिहार से सर।
बिहार से। ये गाड़ी कहाँ का है?
गाड़ी कोलकाता का सर।
कहाँ जाएगा?
ये कोलकाता सर।
कोलकाता क्या माल था यार?
इसमें माल था टेलर लेके आए थे सर।
अच्छा, अभी फिलहाल क्या सिचुएशन है
वहाँ अभी तो फिर भी हंगाम हो रहा है ज्यादा अंदर में, और वहाँ जो है से कल मेरे गाड़ी के आगे बम बारूद और तलवारें ले लेके पूरे लोग ऐसे हंसा मचा रहे थे। कल शाम पे बॉर्डर से करीब 1 किलोमीटर अंदर में हम थे। अभी पब्लिक लोग भी हंगाम किया है, बोल रहे बॉर्डर सीज कर दो, बॉर्डर बंद करने के लिए मांग कर रही है।
This person, he's carrying a trailer from Bangladesh till Bihar. He's a driver. He stays in Bihar. The number plate of this vehicle is NL, that is Nagaland. He states that yesterday there was a lot of violence and even people with swords and bombs allegedly came in front of his vehicle. Today it's a bit better, but many people, as per him, claim that border needs to be seized over there. With camera person Shamchandra Ghosh, this is Suryagni Roy for India Today, India-Bangladesh border at Petropol for India Today.